Hi guys, tuturo ko naman guys yung I don't want to talk about it. Okay, so yung chords, yung chords, yan. Ay, gagamit pa na tayo ng kapo. Yan. Sa third fret, first fret, second and third fret. Yan. Tapos yung chords A minor, tapos D, G. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang D over F sharp. Okay? So yung strumming pattern, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Ayan. Okay? Tutuloy natin guys. Verse 1. I can tell by your eyes that you probably been crying forever, and the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you in the mirror. Sa chorus, C, tapos D, G. Yan, tsaka yung F, D over F sharp. Or ganito. D muna, tapos dito. Yan. Talk about how you from my heart. If I stay here just a little longer, if I stay, won't you listen to okay? Yan ang chorus na. Pagdating sa verse, yun pa rin. If I stand all alone, well, the shadows hide the colors of my heart. The lights and the stars don't mean nothing to you in a mirror. And chorus ulit. I don't wanna talk about it. How you from my heart. So, ganun lang guys. Okay, napakadali lang siyang tutugin. Thank you, thank you.